Hello, I am Pallav. Today we will learn 4 ways how to change the color of clothes using Photoshop. Let's start this video. The first method. First, open the image in Photoshop. After that, select the subject of the image with any selection tool. I am selecting from Quick Selection here. Select the selection tool, which is good for your convenience. Then click on the adjustment layer and select solid color. You have to choose any color that you want to use. You have to choose the color that will use the color dress. Then click on the blending option and select the color option. After that, you can change any color you want from here. Select the layer and erase the image with the eraser and brush tool and pick up the color with the eyedropper tool. Zoom in and zoom out will complete the job nicely. These are very simple steps. Fast forward to the video. The second method. First, click on the selection tool. Select the subject and select the subject. Eliminate unwanted objects with the help of Quick Selection tool and complete the task beautifully. You can select the subject using any tool. After that, click on the adjustment layer and click on the saturation option. Select the color eyes option. Hue, saturation, and lightness. Set up the home color as desired. The third method. In the same way, you have to select the subject. Then you can use the pen tool here. It is best to use the pen tool to select the subject of your choice. So I am using Quick Selection here to save time. I quickly selected the subject. Then click on Select option. Then click on Feather from Modify. The fader radius should be kept at 3. And in this third method, you must copy the layer and click on Add Layer and Marks option. The first layer should be hide. Click on the image option at the top and select the adjustment and select the desaturate option. Then right-click on the layer, click on Add Marks to Selection option and then click on the adjustment layer and select solid color and select the color you want the dress to be. I am taking Buhl here. Select the color by clicking on the blending option. Layer T should be unhide. After that, you can change any color by clicking on the color option. So the third method is done. The fourth method. In the same way. Select the subject and click on the Select option and click on the Modify option. Then click on Father option and set 3 ready. OK. Then click on the adjustment layer. Click on Solid Color to choose a color. Click on the blending option and click on the color option by double-clicking on the layer. The amount of the underlying layer should be increased a little according to the light. So the 4 methods shown are complete. You must work with any method. Then the object must be colored beautifully with the brush tool and the erase tool. It makes your photos look great and look realistic. If the video is helpful, please subscribe the channel.